Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Kluger. So I'm going to today replace for the selector switch globe. You can see in here the letters. You can have to glow in the dark. So when you put the parking, it's not glowing in. So we have to replace that globe. So it looks like this. It's a tiny bulb. So we have to remove this whole console panel and to access the globe. First we have to undo these trims on the side. We have to pull up. They have some clips on in here. That size also. I put the finger in these edges and pull up. So first we have to undo this cover. Okay, then open the center console. So pull this side. Okay, all good. Put side. Got the two connectors. So okay, then we have to off the console panel, the trim top part. So we have to pull the backward one time like this. You can see in here edges. See the connectors. You have to undo that connectors. We disconnect the three connectors. Okay. Okay, we have to easy access for the globes. You can see this close the clips. We have to undo for that one to access for the globes. You can see the globe wire in here of this clip. And this one also jump already. Okay, you can take it out this part. So you can see in here the globe. We have to turn it and take it out. So when we're parking on, it's not turning on. Take out this globe out. So you can take it out the green, the cover. Okay. So then after I get the new globes, and put back into this cover. Okay, that's it. Turn, then in parking light on. Okay, you can see the bulb is glowing. So after that we're going to put back the covers thingy. You have to put the globes in, then turn it for the clockwise. Okay, it's going like this. Then after, put back the top cover. Good. Okay. Okay, then after we're going to put back this cover. Okay guys, finally we all the things back together. So I'm going to test the light is working. So when you park lights on, it's working. You can see before it's not working, this the bulb. All good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.